cold ass bitch. I give raw chills, 10 different looks, and my looks so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Heat in the car, that's wheels on wheels. Woo! I was born to flex.
What's up, y'all, and welcome to my channel. I'm Passion J, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I DIY'd this blue backdrop for under $20 with 3 materials that I got from Walmart. So the first material you are going to need is a pack of clamps. I ended up using only 3 of the 4 clamps. The next material you are going to need is a garment rack. And then lastly, I used 2 yards of the Waverly fabric from Walmart. If you choose to go to a fabric store to get your fabric, that's fine too, but Walmart was the closest thing that had fabric for me, so I went to Walmart and paid like $2.50 for it. I'm gonna link all of the material as well as the prices down in the description box for anybody if y'all want to recreate this DIY. So just as a disclaimer, I actually filmed the video to this about a month ago, but I wasn't pleased with my intro and my outro because I just felt like I wasn't being myself. So you're gonna see that I have a whole different outfit and a whole different hairdo in the video. And as far as my hairdo, please don't come for me, sis, because I know it was bogus. No, it wasn't really bogus, but it was about I'd say a week and a half overdue, but it was finals week and I didn't care at that point. Like, I'm just trying to get my grades good. This is my senior year. I graduate in May. That's all I was thinking about. Like, I wasn't caring about my hair. So y'all see a little bitty beads in the back, just act like you ain't see it. It's just a little hair, you know. It is what it is, sis. y'all for staying tuned all the way to the end and watching this video. I really appreciate that. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up so I know that you like the video and I can continue doing DIY inspired videos. If you want to see more DIY videos, you can also comment down in the description box to let me know that that's something that you guys like and I can provide that all to y'all. Something else you guys need to go ahead and do is hit that subscribe button so that you can see more of me. Like, who doesn't want to see more of me? Yes, I know y'all do, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna try to post weekly videos for you all just to keep fresh content and new ideas and figure out what it is that you guys like and what y'all really want to see from me. So until next time, see you guys in my next video.